Hey you! Yes you! Want a new career? Start with MedCerts Online. Become a geriatric medical assistant. We can help you in 30 weeks with a dedication of 15 to 20 hours a week. We believe you can do this and rise above the competition, getting closer to your goals. So, what can you expect? Our courses utilize the MedCerts 12 elements of e-learning by leveraging 3D animation and illustrations. We make learning fun and engaging. We'll prepare you for your future career.
You have been managing your symptoms for the past few years.
Yeah, no one ever leaves me alone.
After a fall, older adults often develop anxiety and limitation of activity due to the fear of falling.
Prepare for the next phase by reviewing the course material.